Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get load processes on Windows 11 to get faster performance. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Startup Apps. All right, this one, just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to disable all the apps that you don't necessarily need to open up when you boot up your computer. All right, as you can see here, most of my apps have been disabled. All right. For example, you have Phone Link enabled. You're going to want to click on the slider to disable it, or maybe Google Drive if you have it in your computer. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and disable it all. And don't worry, you can just go ahead and open up each of these apps if you needed them. Okay. So the next thing would be is to go ahead over to your search bar once more and type in services like so and hit on services. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, in here, you're going to want to look for a service that you don't need. All right. If you're not quite sure on which to disable right here, you can go ahead and look each services right here online. For example, what is ActiveX Installer? Okay. And descriptions right here are provided as well. You can just go ahead and read it if you want to. All right. For example, AnyDesk service. I don't need it anymore because I deleted AnyDesk. So I'm going to click on it, right click, and then go to properties. And then in startup type, I'm just going to make sure that it is disabled. Okay. Hit on apply, hit OK, and do the same with any other services right here that you don't need. Okay. So just scroll down until you find unnecessary services right here. For example, I'm going to scroll all the way down and we will find Xbox app. For example, you don't need or you don't actually use Xbox Live. You can go ahead and turn it off. Okay. So once that's done, just close it. Close. Go ahead over to your search bar once more. Now type in performance. All right. In here, just click on it. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. Now in here, you're going to want to make it custom. All right. Make sure that you're under visual effects. In here, just go ahead and leave animation in taskbar. All right. Do this one. Follow my steps like so. All right, leave animations into taskbar, enabled, show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts, right? And once that's done, just hit on apply, wait for it to load and hit on OK. And if you don't want these settings, you can go ahead and let Windows choose what's best for your computer. If appearance is your choice, you can just leave it adjust for best appearance, okay? Hit on OK. And after that, go to your search bar once more. We're going to be needing the search bar until the end of this video. Okay. Type in task scheduler. All right. Just click on it. And just like what we did under services, you can go ahead and click on task schedule library. Okay. In here, just go ahead and select the services that you don't need or task. Okay. For example, taskbar X right here, which I don't need anymore. So I'm just going to click on it. All right, and you'll be able to see a description right here. If you're not quite sure, again, look it up online. So again, if you don't want this, go ahead over to the right panel and hit on delete, like so. Again, Adobe right here. I have already uninstalled this application, so I'm just going to hit on delete in here. This one as well, delete. And once you're done, just go ahead and close it. All right. Now in here, in your desktop, right click on a blank space. Now go ahead over to personalize, click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find taskbar. In here, make sure that widgets is disabled. All right. This one right here is resource hungry, especially for your CPU. Now, once that's disabled, go ahead and go to the left side, click on apps, go to installed apps, and then install apps right here that you don't actually need. All right. As you can see here, mine is pretty clean. I've already disabled most of the Microsoft pre-installed applications. All right. So if you want to uninstall one, you can go ahead and click on three dots and hit on uninstall and just wait for it. All right. Once everything is done, go ahead over to apps once more, click on it. Now go ahead and click on apps for websites. Okay. Wait for it and disable all of these. Okay. I'm just going to leave it enabled because I do need these applications connected with my browser as I need it for work. Okay. So I'm going to go back. In here, go ahead over to gaming right here, click on it and game bar, make sure that it is disabled as well. All right. Quick tip right here under graphics, make sure that you have this one enabled, optimizations for windowed games, and hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on as well. And also, when you go head over to your desktop, right click and click on display settings, scroll all the way down until you find advanced display. Make sure that the refresh rate is the highest that your monitor can handle. Okay, that's basically it. You can now go ahead and restart your computer. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.